There is a story about Swami Vivekananda. You know about that? Someone wanted to insult Swami Vivekananda, his own professor. He was insulting him all the time. So, Vivekananda went and sat in the same table as this professor in Oxford in the breakfast room. And the professor looked at him. Those days there was more racial discrimination and all, apartheid days. This was in London, in Oxford, in England, in Oxford, in England. So he went and sat on the same table. And the professor said, a pig and a bird cannot sit in the same place. Meaning he is a pig. So you know what Swami Vivekananda said? Sir, you tell me, any moment I will fly away. Sir, you tell me, any moment I will fly away. And then he flew and went, he just went and sat in another place. And he had food there. And the same professor once asked him, suppose he asked in the classroom, Swami Vivekananda was also a student. He asked in the classroom, when you are walking in the street and you find a book of wisdom or you find some money, which one you will pick up? And Swami Vivekananda said, I'll pick up the money. I said, look, this is your nature, your culture. You pick up money or don't care for wisdom. You know what Swami Vivekananda, then he made a big fun of it. You know, you are beggars, you only pick up money, you have no respect, you have no ability for knowledge and all that. Swami Vivekananda said, we only pick up what we don't have. Because the professor said, I will pick up the wisdom book. Money, I don't care. If you have wisdom, you will get money. But Swami Vivekananda said, sir, you are right. You only pick up what you don't have. So, this is how you have to counter an insult with humor. A humor to humor, not with guns.